welcome back to my YouTube channel Prabhata Loves Movies. Today I'll be talking about the latest Netflix show Bombay Begums, directed by Alankrita Srivastava and Bornala Chatterjee. Bombay Begums is what you will get if you mix Alankrita's last two films together, which is Lipstick Under My Burqa and Dolly Kitty or Wo Chamakte Sitare. Much like the above mentioned films, the focus here is also on the raw realities of a woman's life. Additionally, you have also got a touch of Virginia Woolf's A Room of One's Own and the feminist ideology that she talked about. A Room of One's Own says how money is very important for a woman to have a space of her own. In totality, the show is an evocative and bold portrayal of strong, flawed women. As the title suggests, the story of Bombay Begums is set in Bombay. You have 5 women who belong to different age groups and they want varied things in life. For example, Pooja Bhatt's Rani runs the Royal Bank of Bombay. On the surface, her life looks very successful, both professionally and personally. But if you scratch the surface, you will realize that not everything is hunky-dory here. You have a stepdaughter that Rani has to win over, and there are a few people in the bank who try to put her down professionally. Similarly, there is Amrita Subhash's Lily, a former bar dancer who wants to start her life afresh for herself and also her son. Fortunately for Lily, her life changes when she crosses path with that of Rani and she gets an opportunity to open up her own factory. Through the lives of these 5 women, the directors touch upon many issues, starting from sexual harassment at workplace, Me Too, peer pressure, drug abuse, etc. The best thing about the show is how the creators portray their characters. These women aren't easy to like. You will support some of their actions and there are also things that they do which you won't support. But you are still engrossed in their lives. The reason for that is the layered and profound storytelling. As I earlier said, the show touches upon many issues, and to the director's credit, they do a pretty good job out of it. My most favorite one is how they deal with the sexual harassment at workplace topic. It is dealt in a very mature way and never goes into the shrill territory. The theory of Virginia Woolf can be seen in the character of Aisha, played by Plabita Bortankar. Aisha is a small town girl who wants to rise in the social ladder as much as Pooja Bhatt's Rani and Shahana Goswami's Fatima. Initially, she is fired from the bank over a small mistake and is later rejoined, and she is given the responsibility of overseeing a welfare program for women of lower social strata, for which Amrita Subhash's character is the first beneficiary. For most part of the show, Aisha shuttles between her friend's house and her co-employee's house. It's only in the last episode that she gets a home of her own. She is immensely relieved as she has finally got a space, which she can say is hers. There are a couple of things which pull down the show, one of which is the dialogue writing at places and also the somewhat pretentious tone. The male characters are also not so interesting as the female ones, which is why, in spite of having talented actors like Rahul Bose, the male characters are mostly wasted. Only Vivek Gombler as the insecure husband of Shahana Goswami makes any kind of impact. Also, the narrative tool of using Rani's stepdaughter as a voiceover is initially a bit jarring, and honestly it takes some time getting used to it. Pooja Bhatt leads the show with an arresting performance. This show will do to her what Arya did to Shushmita Sen last year. She gets the tonality of the character spot on. some of the best scenes in the web series are those which feature Pooja Bhatt's Rani and her stepdaughter. Shana Goswami and Plabita also deliver good support. Amrita Subhash, on the other hand, delivers a performance which takes her a step ahead of what she did in Gully Boy and Sacred Games Season 2. In totality, in spite of certain shortcomings, Bombay Begums is an important watch. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Prabhata Loves Movies. Signing off until we meet next time, Rigo Bharta Prabhata.